Practice Test 1. Listening, Part 1. For each question, choose the correct picture. 1. How much does a large cup of coffee cost?
I'd like 2 cups of coffee with milk, please. How much is that?
We do small or large coffees. A small cup of coffee costs $1.75 and a larger one $2.45. Which one would you like?
I'll take one of each, please.
OK, that'll be $4.20, thanks.
2. Which person is Steve's cousin?
Do you want to see these photos of me, my brother and my cousin? They're on my mobile.
Yes. Oh, they're great, Steve. Is that your cousin, the boy in the t-shirt and jeans?
That's right. And there's my brother in his funny shorts. And me in my new hat.
Oh, yes.
3. Which one is the woman's suitcase?
Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase. I've just arrived from New York.
Is this small round one yours? Someone took it by mistake.
Mine's much bigger than that, and it's square, not round.
OK, come with me into the office. I'll need to fill in a form.
4. What is Katya doing now?
Katya played very well in her tennis match this afternoon. She won easily.
Good for her. What's she doing now?
She's going to cycle to her friend's house after dinner, but she's finishing her homework at the moment.
Oh, OK. I'll talk to her later then.
5. When is the disco?
Hi, are you going to next weekend's disco?
Oh, I can't. I've got to stay at home next Saturday and look after my younger brother.
But it's on Sunday this time. It's never on the same day. Last month it was on Friday night.
Oh, great. OK, I'll go.
Practice Test 1. Listening, Part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word or a number or a date or a time. You will hear a phone message giving information about a new music department.
Hello, and thank you for calling Central Library Information Service. We're very pleased to tell you that our new music department will open its doors next month. That's July, not June the 10th. We hope you will come and see all the exciting changes here. If you haven't visited the library before, you'll find us at the end of King Street, right next to the town park. The new music department will be on the 3rd floor, one floor up from our very popular DVD library, and will open every day from 10 in the morning to 10:30 at night. Library members can take up to 6 CDs home to enjoy, so why not join now? It will only cost you £3. And now for news of our book sale.
Practice Test 1. Listening, Part 3. For each question, choose the correct answer. You will hear Richard talking to his friend Sam about a football match.
Hi, Sam. We need one more player for the football match. Interested?
Sorry, Richard. I'll be busy on Saturday.
Actually, it's on Friday after school, because a lot of the others are busy. Sunday was difficult too.
Oh, I'd like to play then. Where's the match?
At King's. No, at Castle School.
Is that quite near the railway station? I think I know it.
No, it's the one down by the river. The grass is always better there.
Fine. And are you going by coach or by train?
There aren't enough of us for a coach. Some of the teach are going to drive us there. Have you got any white shorts?
I've got some black ones.
They're no good. Don't worry, I can give you some. We usually wear blue ones, but the other team wears that colour.
OK. Who are the other team?
They're all students at the American International School, so they all speak English, but most of them come from Poland. They don't have a school team. The students play for different teams.
Good players, then?
Yes, the Polish students have a good team, but not as good as the Spanish team we played last week.
Practice Test 1. Listening Part 4. For each question, choose the correct answer. 16. You will hear two friends talking about the weekend. What are they going to do on Saturday evening?
Do you want to come with me to the cinema tomorrow?
It's Fred's birthday on Saturday. Are you going to his party?
Oh, yes, I am. I forgot it's his birthday. We could watch a film before.
I don't think we'll have time. I want to go shopping in the afternoon and buy a DVD of Fred's favourite band in concert.
17. You will hear a teacher talking to his class. What does the teacher want his class to do?
Your stories are looking great. I can't wait to find out how they end. Remember, you can learn by reading each other's stories and asking questions about anything that isn't clear. Can you get into groups of 4 and get started? I want you to use exciting language, so think of words that your classmates can use. There's plenty of time, so don't hurry.
18. You will hear a mother talking to her son George. What's the problem?
That cake smells nice, George.
Oh, good. I bought it for Sarah. It's got chocolate in it.
Oh, dear. Your cousin can't eat that, remember? It made her feel ill the last time she ate it.
Oh, no. Shall I make her a carrot cake instead?
That's a good idea. Fruit and vegetables don't make her feel sick.
19. You will hear a teacher talking to students. Which meal does the teacher want the children to make?
Now, on our camping trip, there are some things you should know. Please take turns to wash the dinner dishes in the farmhouse. After dinner tonight, we'd like you to help make sandwiches. That's for all of us to take on tomorrow's trip to a forest for our lunch. Then there's free time while the teachers talk to the farmers about breakfast.
20. You will hear a girl talking about a program she watched. Why did she like it?
Did you watch that new comedy program last night?
No, I wanted to watch the documentary about bears after my dad watched the news.
Oh, the news is so boring. My older brother always watches it. My mum and I laughed a lot during the show. It was called Crazy Cookies.
That's an interesting name. The photography was amazing in the documentary.
Practice Test 1. Listening Part 5. For each question, choose the correct answer. You will hear Angela talking to her mother about her friends. What does each of her friends want to be?
My friends and I were talking about jobs today.
Well, it's important to start thinking about that.
You know Beth, the girl who does really well at school?
Yes.
Well, she wants to study medicine at university.
That's great. What about Kit? He wants to be a builder like his father, doesn't he?
He did before, but he wants to be a pilot now. Our teacher gave him the idea.
That's an exciting job. Oh, and Layla, what does she want to do?
She wants to write for a newspaper. She's great at acting. She should do that. And Robert, guess what he wants to do? Plan how to build bridges.
Well, that's an interesting job too.
I suppose so. And Helen's great at drawing and painting.
But
she wants to teach young children in school.